Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a brief look at these replacement Truxedo Shur-Bond fasteners. Now, this is going to replace the Shur-Bond fasteners on your Truxedo Low Pro tonneau covers for 8-foot beds. And this fastener is going to replace the hook piece, which attaches the tonneau cover to the truck rails. And the mating loop piece will already be on your tonneau cover. And this is going to slide into your rail for easy installation. It includes 3 rivets, and then instructions are also included to walk you through that installation process. And each of these are 96 inches long and 1 1/4 inches wide. You are going to get 2 fasteners, and these are from Truxedo directly, so they are going to be exactly like the fasteners that you are needing to replace. Same material, same quality. So this is going to be just like the fasteners you are needing to replace. Well, that's going to conclude our brief look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.